Follow this guide to perform a full disassembly. Before conducting the full disassembly, please drain the system of any excess water by pumping through the drain valve as well as the front tap. We recommend the full disassembly to be conducted on an elevated flat surface, with a soft cushioning pad like a cloth or foam pad. Only the filter wrench and handle locking pin is required. Firstly, replace all hoses and taps with filter plugs. To disassemble the bottom assembly, find an assistant to stabilize the ROAMfilter Plus. With one person stabilizing the filter in place, turn the pre-filter cap in the anti-clockwise direction. Rest the plug of the filter cartridge on the padded surface towards you. To loosen the union nut, insert the filter wrench from the bottom. Knock the handle with the handle facing towards you. Turn the bottom cap in an anti-clockwise direction to remove the bottom cap and check valve assembly. Next, you will need to disassemble the top assembly of the ROAMfilter Plus with a filter wrench. To loosen the union nut, insert the filter wrench through the pump handle and knock it with the handle facing you. Insert the handle locking pin into the hole at the pump handle. With the pin inserted, twist the pump handle and pull. With this, the ROAMfilter Plus is now fully disassembled.